As AI is growing smarter, more and more people are asking themselves, is my job safe? And as much as no one is certain about what the future holds, there have been predictions that are quite solid about how AI will render some people jobless. So, is your job really safe? Stick around till the end of the video as we show you 7 jobs that will be replaced by AI in 2025. Let's get into it. Number 7. Telemarketing and customer services. A couple of industries providing goods and services already make use of robocalls, and now there is a 99% chance that this job might be taken over by AI. By 2024, career growth in the telemarketing industry is predicted to slow down by 3%. Telemarketers don't need to have a high level of social or emotional intelligence in order to succeed, unlike other sales professions. So there is a great potential for automation in this position to reduce cost, as direct telephone sales often have conversion rates of less than 10%. Also, for customer service jobs, most companies already use AI to answer FAQs and customer support questions. Most businesses are leveraging the new abilities of AI to cut costs. The most common slang now is why hire a human when AI can do it at a cheaper cost. So in the coming years, expect to get all your concerns fixed by robots and software working on AI. Number 6. Bookkeeping clerks. It's not surprising that the number of odds in this position is predicted to fall by 8% before 2025. Even now, the majority of bookkeeping is being automated. It's not surprising that this job has such a high likelihood given the availability of software that does the bookkeeping for you at prices considerably lower than a person's wage, such as QuickBooks, FreshBooks, and Microsoft Office. Number 5. Couriers. Amazon has also been eager to push the boundaries of automation. In Jeff Bezos' never-ending pursuit of size and efficiency, the application of robotics and artificial intelligence is a no-brainer. Package delivery is an economic sector that has grown in line with the continued rise in online retail, and it has been extensively researched for automation. I can quickly calculate routes from a factory to numerous delivery addresses. Even human drivers that deliver our goods and Uber Eats rely on technology like Google Maps, which is widely used for route planning. Being able to operate and provide without human input presents a difficulty. This is a project that is actively being worked on. However, many companies are actively working on this, and billions of dollars are being poured into the issue. Tesla, as well as other huge corporations such as General Motors and Alphabet, have been testing self-driving technology for several years. Some companies are also currently testing drone delivery systems for smaller packages. It is anticipated that in the future a combination of these technologies may make delivery drivers and couriers redundant. Number 4. Research analyst. It might sound a little shocking that this job is included on the list, but it is. The process of collecting, classifying, and evaluating data requires a tremendous amount of time and effort in the financial sector. Not only is this time-consuming and tedious, but there are limits to how much information a human can absorb and the likelihood of errors. A small mistake on a spreadsheet can throw a thorough analysis out the window. Today, there are some AI apps that use artificial intelligence to look at more data faster and make choices using vast volumes of previous data. Number 3. Security guards. It is also very possible that AI will take over more of the positions currently filled by traditional security professionals. Artificial intelligence can keep track of prospective threats and even predict their movements thanks to technology like facial recognition and human pattern recognition. This information can subsequently be utilized to trigger automated protection equipment, such as shutters or bollards, and alert human guards or police. Law enforcement is already using this kind of technology extensively, especially in large cities with dense populations. It's expected that more and more families and businesses will choose technological solutions to meet their security demands, because there is no longer a need to pay overtime or find a replacement guard for guards who keep calling in sick. Number 2. Soldiers. Soon, robots will take over and fight for us, ending the slaughter on the battlefield, the wasting of lives that causes families to shed tears over the deaths of their children in battle. Robot soldiers first appeared in the form of armed drones that were being deployed by the United States to assassinate opponents during America's war on terror in Iraq. Take the security robot from Yelp, for instance. It can inspect any object using its high-definition camera. It also contains an infrared sensor and a directional microphone that can pick up any suspicious activities. Lastly, we have an obvious one: factory workers. Undoubtedly, factory workers will be among the biggest AI victims. As many of these manufacturing workers lack other skills, this will result in a large number of individuals losing their jobs. A particular company in China, a technology company, began adopting AI and fired 590 employees. After this, their product defect rate decreased by 20%. They even have plans to reduce their population from 60 to 20 soon. These robots are highly efficient and they do not get tired. Also, they are able to save a lot of time and money by replacing production workers. Finally, robot labor with artificial intelligence would leave room for error. What do you think about this? Let us know down in the comments section.